Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, hard disk drive assembly, and optical drive. Removal. Important: make careful note of the routing of the display panel and USB board cables for later replacement. Remove the display panel and USB board cables from the routing channel and retention tape that secures them to the fan. Disconnect the fan cable from its connector on the system board. Remove the three 5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the fan to the system board. Lift the fan off of the alignment pins and remove. Reverse this procedure to install the fan.